In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on and off flashlight on Android phone using the widgets. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now, it can be really annoying when you accidentally turn on your flashlight. You might be in a public place and you want to go ahead and turn it off, but you might not know how. So it's very simple to do. Whenever your flashlight is on, swipe down on the top right of your screen and you're going to see your control panel like so. And then you can basically drag down and you're going to see all the different things like the icons, but with text under them. And as you can see, one of them is going to be flashlight or torch if you're like in Europe or anything like that. So mine says torch. All you want to do is go ahead and click on that and it's going to turn off your flashlight or torch. It's that simple. But yeah, it's as simple as that. This will work on literally any Android phone you have. And then after you go ahead and disable it, all you got to do is to enable it is go back here and you can turn it on and off at will. And it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also check out our other videos that we've been posting on the channel as well.